Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As once again, I, Lord IBO Hards, and you're watching CORP Exchange Television. And this is a segment from a group, a network of managers that put together. We got together and we call it PRISTINE Investments. And what we do is we focus on family office strategies. Bounce off ideas. Family offices in some parts of the region, they're very popular. In other parts, people have no idea what they do. It's not all about capital raising here at PRISTINE Investments, because once we became a member in good standings on CORP Exchange, we were instructed if we wanted to remain on this and perform on the Exchange Corp platform and get all the benefits like the stock quote, being able to pitch investors and get your numbers and report, almost like a Wilshire, if you will, start getting involved like that. That we had to explain more of what a family office offers or what it does. So we have a seminar coming up, and it's going to give you some strategies, basic strategies that people understand what the family office can do for you. A lot of people have mega bucks. They're super wealthy and they want to get in, but it's not always about the super wealthy. You're just really managing your money properly. You can have a small business, you could have a small family, you could just have money coming in, capital working. Right now, what is very good for the family offices, what I've seen, especially in the South Florida region, is the banks are coming out and they're giving 4% CDs. I would sway back to starting out with a traditional investment, in policies and being able to put a lot of money that you've earned, or a lot of money you accumulated, or a lot of money you inherited into a tax-free investment. Because the simple question I ask my clients and potential clients, and even my colleagues and even my employees, I ask them this question 2-3 times a day, often when we're group chatting. Where do you think your taxes are going to go in 5 years? They're going to go up or down? Some people say remain the same. That's a good one. But the way the rate of inflation is moving, the way you just see the market, the inflation is going to go higher, and an increase, which creates a risk reward ratio to taxes, where taxes will go up twice as fast as the economy is expanding and the rate of inflation. So we look at we have some strategies coming out on how to buy the good CDs. This is not a guarantee. The one cue I've seen is that they come out and they say, well, we have 3 months, we have 9 months, we have 4 months. The interest rates are going up. Uncle and auntie, they even threaten to raise the interest rates higher to I guess that's going to stimulate the credit side, reduce the margin on the credit side and open up an opportunity for regional banks to get more action versus the super intelligent institutional investors who've been really just like an orca eating a whole world of krill. Just open their mouth and it just all comes in. Now that the interest rate bases are steady, you shock it one time. Now it's like, oh, well, we're going to do 3/4. Wow, that's huge too. We're going to do 1. You still look at the family office and say, okay, where is the best thing that I can do? You could stay in cash, but then when you're speaking of interest rates, and that's what we're focusing on, because it's not just the worldly current event in the U.S. economy. It's like, wow, with the taxes going up and the rate of inflation, and we've been at a zero tax basis forever. You know, it seems like ever since the crash came, we've been in a zero tax environment, a zero interest rate environment for forever. Now that that's over, almost 20 years now, you're seeing the liquidity start coming back into the market. Is the market still on a quote sugar unquote high? I don't know. Unquote I don't know. We're not focusing on that right now. We're just talking about CORP Exchange Television. By the way, my name's Lord IBO Reese Harts, and we're looking at Pristine Investments, which is a member of CORP Exchange in good standings. And coming up, we'll be blasting out to our people. We just reopened we're working with one of the company's busybodies, and they recommended a email spawner where I can go in, create a file, or get it approved by our top managers, and then we can start sending it to people who are interested and members of the Pristine Investment Network.